Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Today we are going to learn one more interesting topic, that is Pythagorean triplet. How to find the Pythagorean triplet? The patterns to learn the Pythagorean triplet. But first, what is Pythagorean triplet? Pythagorean triplet are nothing but the three measurements of the sides of right angled triangle. Because yesterday we have learned in exercise 8.1 the first problem, how to find the missing value. So if you know Pythagorean triplet, it will be easy to you to solve the problems within fraction of seconds. Now let's move on to the topic. Numbers are categorized in two categories, that is even. Another number is odd number. So now we are going to learn what is the pattern to find Pythagorean triplet measurement when one number is given as even number. Let's take an example so that you will have a clear idea, students. Example 14. So I am taking 14 as one even number in the Pythagorean triplet. Let's find what are the remaining two values of the Pythagorean triplet. So first value is considered as 14 and that we are going to consider it as 2m. So when 2m is equals to 14, we have to find what is the value of m. So here you should make m as the subject of the equation by transposing the number 2 to the right hand side. That is 14 by 2. It will be cancelled 7 times. So we got the value of m is equals to 7. Then we have not completed our task because we did not find what are the remaining two members of the Pythagorean triplet. The second value, n square minus 1, just substitute m value in n square minus 1. 7 square minus 1. 7 square is nothing but 49 minus 1. So that is nothing but 48. So what is our second value? 48 is our second value. Now moving to the third value, n square plus 1. It will be easy for you when you know n square minus 1. So 7 square plus 1, 49 plus 1, 50. So what is our third missing value? 50. So we came to know by the following the pattern 2m, n square minus 1, n square plus 1, when we get one number as even number. Let's move on to the next category, odd numbers. How to find odd number? If it has given one number as odd number, the remaining two values how to find. Here also we have a short technique by following two steps. Let's see. First we'll take an example, a small basic odd number. Let's assume as 3. One number in the Pythagorean triplet. Now moving to the two steps. What are the two steps to follow? We are going to see now. Step 1. Find the square of the given odd number. What is the step 1? Find the square of the given odd number. What is the first step? Find the square of the given odd number. Find the square of the given odd number. 3 square, 9. So first step is to find the square of the given odd number. Here we got the value 9. Second step, just find the sum of any two consecutive numbers which will be equal to the square of the given odd number. Sum of the two consecutive numbers which value will be equal to square of the given odd numbers. So we know 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. So simple thing. So 4 will be the second value. 4 will be the second missing value. 5 will be the third missing value. So here Pythagorean triplet is 3, 4, 5. So here what we have learned, students? Only two fundas. What is the first funda? When any one number is given as even number in the Pythagorean triplet, then you should use the formula or the pattern 2m, comma, n square minus 1, comma, n square plus 1. When we are coming to the odd number, one number is given as odd number in the Pythagorean triplet, the remaining two values how to find by following the two steps. First step is do the square of the given odd number. Second step is same value you should add as sum of two consecutive numbers. Let's move today your homework. These examples I have given students, just verify by taking one number as even number, follow the pattern, and another number as odd number, follow this pattern. So the examples I have given to you or homework you can find out. 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. 8, 15, 17. One more Pythagorean triplet. Next one is 6, 8, 10. 9, 12, 15. 16, 63, 65. Next one 15, 20, 25. 13, 84, 85. 12, 35, 37. 35, 56, 65. Compulsory do these examples as homework, at least 2 or 3 problems where one number should be even number, one number should be odd number. Follow the two patterns, students. Thank you for watching.